Have you been wondering what's new at Dollar Tree? Well, come with me and let's find out together. So I started off on the plus section. I found these new lanterns and these are only $3. They look so high end. If you find them at your Dollar Tree, grab them before they're gone. This is in the smaller size and they do have the larger size and these are $5. It's identical to the $3 one. It's so beautiful. I am hauling a couple of these for sure. Just keep in mind, you don't always have to add a candle. You can always add some flowers and just dress it up that way. I also found these lamp post lights. They are LED and they are solar powered, so these are pretty cool. They had them in white and in black. Now this is interesting, a handheld bug zapper. I thought this was pretty interesting. I didn't purchase it. Let me know if you have and how well it works. Now this is a great find. This is only $3. It's a solar LED table light. This is pretty cool, my friend. I'm pretty sure these are not gonna last. So as I continued on my journey to find good deals, I found this. These glass tabletop torches. These were only $3. They are a good size. They'll go great with your patio table and also your side tables. They had it in red and they also had this really pretty green color. They have this 3-tier serving tray for only $5. Guess what? Pottery Barn has this tier stand for $99 that's very similar to this one. I'm just saying, if you love Pottery Barn, then this is the cheaper route. They also had this liquid drink dispenser shaped as an egg. I thought this was pretty neat. They also have these large bunnies for $5. They would look great in your entry doorway or in a foyer. The $3 bunnies are back from last year. These are so cute. Just a tip, you know these $5 lanterns, these bunnies would look really cute in them. The giant eggs are back. They have it in the gold and pink. And also these self-watering planters for $5. And they are big, so this is a really good deal. And here are the dimensions, just in case you're wondering. Okay, now let's move on to the $1.25 items. I found this cute sign that says "Be Happy," and of course it has a beehive with some bees. And they have this one as well that says "Welcome." And by the way, they are made out of some sort of metal. And here's another style. And this was all by itself, a little tin bucket that has the same colors as a bee. It's yellow with black. I was a little shocked to find this little glass sprayer for $1.25. So it seems that the bees are going to be in theme with a Dollar Tree. I also found these LED lights and also a bumblebee sprinkler. What? I don't know. It's cute though. They also had a frog and also a sunflower and a ladybug. I couldn't pass these up, so I took the bumblebee. And they had so many styles of these garden flags. This one says, "Hey there, honeybee." This one says, "Welcome, be kind, be nice." This one says, "Home is where your honey is." They just have so many different patterns. You just need to run to Dollar Tree and come and look at them yourself. They are so nice. And we continue with more of the bumblebee theme. They have these gnomes in yellow and black. They have this one with the sunflower, too cute. And also these stepping stones. If you're into frogs, they do have these. I found these Easter carrots that have a little wooden stand to them, and they also have these miniature ones. I have a project in mind and I will be using these. They also had these miniature trees in this pretty blue color and these pink. And they also had them in a bigger size. Well, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. You have yourself a blessed day. And until my next video, bye bye and God bless.